So you just got a roof replacement on your greater Boston area home. That's quite the investment. Now you need to protect it through regular maintenance. For starters, you'll need to clean the gutters twice a year in the spring and fall. While you may associate clogged gutters with damaged siding and water in the basement, the water can also travel upward, getting into the roof sheathing and causing rot. It can even rot your rafters. Moss can give your roof a forest-like appearance, but it's very damaging and needs to be removed as soon as possible. It grows between the shingles, pushing them up and away from the roof. This allows water to get inside, causing damage. When you see moss, you have to scrub it off your roof. When your nearby trees start growing too close to your home, it's time to trim back those branches. A bad storm can easily break one, causing serious damage to your new roof. They also offer an easy pathway for rodents to enter your home. If you're ready to replace an old and outdated roof, then you need the best roofing contractors in town. Call Solid State Construction at 508-841-3373.